Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in our previous video, we did for Tinkercad, right? How you will draw any basic shape. Okay. So in this video, we will draw one cup with the help of Tinkercad and we will draw the 3D cup. Okay. So are you ready? Okay. So now let's start our today's video. Okay. So first thing, as you can see, this is our work plane. So if you want to draw a cup, so we will require our cylinder, okay? So see, you need to just take this. We can increase the size like this. And whatever is your favorite color, you can take that one, okay? Suppose I want to add not blue, I want to add a red color, okay? See, it looks like this. Okay. After that, what we can do, this is, as you can see, this is a whole red color. We can attach this here. Okay. You need to just increase this. You can put that here. And after that, we can group this. So you have to select this option. Okay. Now what will happen? See, you can put this here. Then if you want whole, even you can do that. If you want solid, you can take this. After that, suppose I want to add a handle. So we can take this. We can increase the size and we can attach this here. So we can increase this width also. We have to attach. Suppose if you want to change this like this, we can decrease the size little bit. Yes. Now, as you can see, it looks like your cup, right? So in this way, we can draw any shapes. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we will draw some more shapes. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Even you can share this video with your friends also so they will also learn that. Okay. So thank you so much.